Hello viewers, welcome to my channel English Made Easy, both Telugu and Hindi. Today we're going to learn about a new word called pragmatic, dealing with things practically and realistically. For example, we need a pragmatic approach to solve this issue. Um, um, yeah, the pragmatic word consider the one who do get to know about the things before doing the any work and uh, and start work on it. That is called a pragmatic. తెలుగులో వాస్తవ దృష్టితో వ్యవహరించడం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమస్యను పరిష్కరించడానికి వాస్తవ దృష్టి అవసరం. मीनिंग इन हिंदी व्यवहारिक. एग्जाम्पल इस समस्या को हल करने के लिए स्थिर दृष्टिकोण रखने चाहिए. थैंक यू.